Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if you're going to change a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and when you press it, and I recommend that you do, it's called the notification bell. YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. And they send it in the inbox with the picture of the video and the title. So if you press on the picture, it takes you like a shortcut to the video. I like it, I enjoy it, and it's something that I think it just makes it so easy to use. So I do a lot of videos and sometimes they're deal sensitive, so you will see in the inbox the picture and the title, so this way you'll know if it's something you want to press on right away and watch then and there, or that it waits for you in your inbox for something fun to watch a little bit later. So like I said, it's something that I use and I enjoy, and I want to make sure that you know about it as well. All right, today is an update video. I got some tracking information from IPSY. And in the tracking information, it said it was an accommodation package. And I had no idea what that meant or what that was about. And I tried watching a couple of other channels, and nobody was talking about this at all. And today, the package came, and it looked like it was a typical IPSY package, but I've already done all my unboxings for the month, and I couldn't figure out what it was, and the package felt pretty empty. And it's funny, one time when I wrote to them that I was missing a card, they sent me a package like this with just the card inside of it. But I haven't had any issues with IPSY at all, and everything has been beyond exciting for me. If you haven't had the opportunity to watch any of the IPSY unboxings and swatches for this month, please go back in my videos and take a look, because this month's boxes have been, for me, headache-free, a lot of fun, and a good way for us to spend time together and get our mind off other things. So I opened up the package when it came because I was so curious to know what was inside of this package. And when I opened it up, it was a box from Dose of Colors. And maybe I'm wrong, and please correct me in the comments down below. I have never seen Dose of Colors in IPSY, be it in the options for add-ons, in any of my bags, as well as in the shopper, which is another area in IPSY that you can go for all these great bundles at fantastic discounted prices. They change them every day, and it's something that I try my best to go on every day to make sure that I'm not missing out on some fantastic deals. But I have never seen Dose of Colors. So I am over the moon, because Dose of Colors is a fantastic, fantastic brand. I know these run in the 20s. I'm thinking I might have gotten this because one of my boxes had a Pixie Glow Mist that I was pretty sure that I've received in the past from IPSY, but I think I got it in a bundle. And I think when you purchase the bundles, it's not the same as if you've gotten it in a previous bag, because I know they tell you that they're not going to give you any products in duplication. But I'm thinking maybe this is because that was a duplicate product, and maybe when you buy the bundles and things from the shopper, that ends up in your beauty profile as well, and they take that into account to not give you any duplicate item. That's the only thing that I can think of, that this might be the reason why I received this. So if for any reason anyone else got a package from IPSY of a product, and I'd love to know what the product was, and if it was also Dose of Colors, that would be terrific, because I'm a little stumped. There's no card inside, there's no order number, there's no reason why I received this. So that's the only thing that I can think of of why I would have received this, but I'm not going to, you know, this is a gift, and I'm excited because, like I said, Dose of Colors for me is a fantastic brand. I do own their products. I have bought them at retail. I have bought them when they have these fantastic deals on their website. This one is called Let's Cuddle. It's a liquid matte lipstick. What's great about these Dose of Color lipsticks is they, when you put them on, they go on beautifully. This one is very opaque. I put it on earlier today when I got it, and then I said, you know what, I should sit down and film for you guys to tell you about this, because I went on the YouTube platform to see if anyone else was talking about this, and nobody was. So I want to make sure that maybe they received something, and you know, we're here to share, and it's a community, so I wanted to make sure to do that as well. So they're just simply say to apply it to the lip and as you desire, and that's it. So this is the gorgeous color that I received. Like I said, it's called Let's Cuddle, which is a fantastic name. It is a perfect nude that even if you want to put it on as a base and then put any nude, which is what I did, I put the flossy gloss over it that I got in the Allure box. Simply because if I was going out and I was going out to eat, I would definitely have put this on its own without any gloss over it, because these type of products do last on your lips, and even when you eat, they're fantastic. But I always like a little bit of gloss, so I always end up putting a little bit of gloss over it. But this is what the product looks like here. And I'm going to give you a swatch here. It is stunning, just stunning. I wish I brought the other colors out here that I have, because I buy a lot of peachy tones. I do buy a lot of pinks, and I do own not only their matte lipstick, but I do own their glosses, and I recommend Dose of Colors really highly. And I think Dose of Colors was one of the earliest influencers who started their own brand, if my mind is correct. And I know that two other influencers that I watched for a long time, they're two girlfriends, Katie and Desi, I think are their names. They're so much fun to watch, and they've been around a long time too. And I think they did some private collaborations with this brand, and I own those palettes as well, and I'm pretty sure they were Dose of Colors. But like I said, this is beyond stunning. So to me, this is a true gift, and I'm pretty sure it's because of that duplication of that Pixie spray, which is a $15 value, and this is definitely more than $15. And like I said, it's a color that I can definitely use and really enjoy. I was a little disappointed on the Fenty colors that I got in the Fenty box, because I didn't get to enjoy the formulas and see if I would have liked the actual product to be able to then purchase it in other colors. But this one was definitely one that I would recommend. And like I said, this color, it's called Let's Cuddle, and I think it is absolutely stunning. So once again, if anybody knows of anyone else, of channels that they watched, if they got an IPSY package with one item in it to replace something, or why they got it, I would love that information to be left down below. I also want to take this time to say thank you for everybody who has been subscribing to my channel. And I just want you to know that I am so excited that this platform is working out, and it's something that I'm going to be able to grow into. And you sharing my channel with others is how my channel grows. So if you know even of other smaller channels that are looking for support also, I will definitely subscribe back to those channels as well. I love being able to have this platform, but the only thing that I need is I need to make sure that I continue to grow, and the only way that I grow is through subscribers, as well as you guys. If you are enjoying my content, it is important on the YouTube platform to give me the thumbs up, because supposedly that helps with the algorithm, and then it puts my videos in front of others that maybe are not finding my channel. So it is really important that this is a two-way street where you guys help me by subscribing and telling others to do the same. That's how my channel is going to grow. All right. So once again, I do appreciate everybody who is subscribed and who has shared my channel. So thank you for that. But more importantly, I love that you choose to spend time with me here on my channel. And that's what I enjoy the most. Don't forget to leave me the comment down below in reference to this, because I just would like to get my head around it. Otherwise, I will see the rest of you in my next video. Bye for now.